Good morning guys, welcome to the live stream again. I'm gonna open up the Zoom. Good morning MA. Good morning. These are all old analysis from Friday. Shahid, good morning, good morning. Yeah, we're ranging deep as expected today. Come on guys, we should have expected it. We have news. We do have the OPEC meetings, but I think this stream won't be that long based on what we're seeing right now. We're just gonna see where we might head to the rest of this week, and then call it one. Because right now you don't really want to trade this, right? And what's the probability for price breaking out on the top or breaking out at the bottom? It's very low, right? So, but overall, let's turn on my camera because I forgot it. But overall, it looks pretty interesting. Good morning. Who's all in the Zoom? Oh, Frankie. I see Frank. Oh. Yeah, this is too delicate right now. Gold is, yeah, you don't really want to touch it. You know how the 4-hour close, we're inside this range right now. GJ, middle of the range. Oh damn, one to pass. Watch out, man. Otherwise you won't be able to click that close button again. Yeah, let's redo these analysis for a second, and let's see on the higher time frame where we might head towards the rest of this week. Today probably even no New York session as well. Because of the news, because New York USD, you know the vibe, it's not gonna do anything probably. So so just look for fun what we're gonna see maybe with the rest of this monthly candle. What I do think that might happen, if you look at this monthly candle, it's like 50-50 right now. This candle has a body compared to the wick it's about as big. We might see a small wick fill to the bottom and then a push back up, maybe to fill this weekly wick that closed bearish, because overall we didn't break the lows yet, so there's not too much bearish momentum yet. Yeah, Marina, that's true as well. Summertime, based on the daily, did create a support right here. So there's a couple things that can happen. Or we're going to fill the daily wick, or we're going to go a little deeper down in the beginning of this week to fill the weekly wick. But as you can see on the weekly wick, we did close with a rejection and very small bearish. Now at the end of the day, if you look at the previous higher high, we're still above that level, so that's good. I think what we need to do is just wait for the play out of this daily candle of Monday, see where this one is gonna head. Can we close above 153.575? If so, yes, we're gonna fill the wick and continue moving up towards 154.930. If not, and we're gonna be breaking the low of 153.78, we might go down towards 152.6 and eventually maybe even go down towards 151.9, or even to the bottom 280. So let's see what happens. There's a high probability that we could be able to fill this monthly wick because we created a resistance, right? So let's see, we just have to look on the lower time frames where we're heading towards, and if we look on the lower time frames, we can look for easy entries with the trend at that moment. Close ranging as expected, exactly. Yeah. 1630. Now what do we do? Just wait. Jay, there's no need to get into anything exactly right now. We're not gonna go to 1630, and we ain't gonna go to 1850 today. So just don't touch it. We're ranging. This is the range right now. I'm gonna show you. Rejected this support, weekly support, closed bullish. I think if we start breaking these lows, we could continue moving down towards that 720 level. If we start breaking the lows right here at 49.2, we're gonna come down. If we start breaking the highs here at the top at 95, 94, 95, the tube is a little blurry. Oh, probably, I don't know. Look, your hair looks absolutely fantastic today. Thank you, man. I appreciate that. If we're gonna breaks the high right here at this level, let's go a little deeper in detail. Yeah, it's around like 1797. We're gonna definitely go up towards at least 24, 25. Yeah, around that zone 14 maybe first, and then towards the 23, 22 level. Then continue quality up. It's up. Probably your internet. We have one chart coming in. I'll take a look at that in a second. That is that support we're on right now.
Yo.
Yo, Frankie boy. How are you, man?
Good, and you?
Yeah, perfect. Probably not gonna stream for that long. Just range.
Yeah, gold, I mean, you could expect that. I mean, on bank holiday.
Yeah, we're just gonna be looking where we might head the rest of this week.
Mm.
I like indeed. But how was your weekend, Frankie?
Yeah, good. And you?
Yeah, pretty good.
The weather here is horrible. I don't know if it's the same in Netherlands, but
Oh no,
for the month of July.
The sun is out. We have like, I think it's like 15 degrees.
Nice. Here, I mean, it's like raining, or it's a storm, or it's horrible. I mean, it's like a month of July, but
you expect some good weather and just banging.
Yeah, I mean, it's horrible. I mean, honestly.
Oh, it is what it is, Frankie boy.
Yeah.
What it is. You live in the mountains, so you.
Yeah, but still, I mean, for summer, I mean, it normally gets like, I would say, between 23 to like 30 degrees.
Oh, that's pretty good weather.
Yeah, I mean, it's like cool, but it doesn't get too warm. But it's still, I mean, it's good. But like now it's like, wait, let me look it up. Yeah, it's like 12 degrees. I mean, what the hell?
Yeah.
Tomorrow is storm, Wednesday storm, Thursday storm, Friday rain.
Storm.
Like, what?
Storm. For me, it's gonna be 15 right now. Today it's gonna get to 18 degrees. Tomorrow 19 with rain. Wednesday 20 with rain, and then Thursday 19 with rain, and then Friday is gonna be a nice day. Saturday is gonna be 21. Then it's gonna be 22.
Yeah,
That's pretty good.
not bad.
I do not want it any warmer though, because otherwise it's just getting way too hot. Good morning, Stanley. The magnet tool gives your lines more accuracy. I don't give a shit. My lines are on point. Ask Frank. I don't need the magnet for that.
If somebody wants to use some buy and sell limits,
Go ahead. Yeah, I'm gonna be very. I'm not gonna take a trade today, probably. Gonna see.
I was looking at GJ Gold. I don't believe, but
No, gold. Gold is way too messy right now. Yeah, we're inside this range between 90 and 81. 90 pip range. We do have some place to come down to this level. I do think we're gonna just tap this and boom, back up again.
Hello.
Yo, good morning, man. How are you?
yo,
Good. How you doing?
Yeah, pretty good, man. What about you?
Pretty good. GJ's not doing too well. It's still in that range.
Yep. Yeah, all pairs are just ranging. Look at gold.
Oh god. I have a plan for gold next year. I'm gonna start looking into that.
What is your plan, or is it secret?
No, I'm gonna start studying it because so far I've only been focusing on GJ.
Okay, yeah, I like gold. I've just started again with gold. I traded gold in the past, and now I got back in the beginning of this year with gold, and I really like it a lot.
Yeah, you kind of you just see the market condition and you just want to be in it, eh?
Yeah, the thing is, the difference between GJ and gold is that GJ has a hard time going 10 pips, you know, and with gold, you can easily get
It's a hard
30.
time getting 10 pips.
Yeah, like the way it moves, it takes a long time. For me,
Yeah.
at least for me, and with gold, that's definitely not it.
I get what you mean. This year's been quite difficult to reach 10 pips consistently.
Yeah, in the beginning of this year, I was getting 7, 8 pips, 7, 8 pips, 7, 8 pips, and then every time I hit 7 to 8 pips, price just goes back down to your entry. It takes you out.
Yep.
So, you know.
Maybe it's just this year. That's why you need a spare, like maybe trade GU or something.
Yeah. The thing is also, if you look at it has to do with Brexit. That was the catalyst of last year, you know, and the year before, and that gave the volume to it. And now it's just died down. But it will come back probably later on.
Ooh, will GJ close below the range?
It was...
Oh, GJ closed below 570. Might consider a sell.
Nice. With the 15.
Yeah.
Oh, for me, close a little doge like. Yeah. Yeah, we look at the daily time frame, Ace. There's resistance.
Yeah, true. The daily time frame might flip as well.
Yeah.
You feel that wick down. This volume is coming in soon. It doesn't need to test that low there.
Haley, can you help me? Let's take a look, man. Let's take a look. That makes sense, man. There's a full candle you can fill. Be careful though, because there are people going to be buying right here, because they will expect not the range to break, and there's a lot of volume coming back in. But if you just take your pips, should be good. Yeah, you should be good. I do think, yeah, this already taps inside it. That was the move up already. Yeah. Mm. Oh yeah, this one. But I don't know. But that, for me, that doesn't make sense, man. I don't need no magnets. Ooh. Look at the 15 ace, fully closed below. What would be best is if this candle closes bullish on the 5 and the next one breaks a low, then you could have that clean traffic coming down at least to the daily flipping point.
Yeah, I know that. I'm watching for that low to be broken.
Yeah, nice.
It's gonna be a rough trip down though. A lot of noise to the left.
Yeah, and I do think if we approach like 450, 460, that you need to take profit right here. Because that could be the tap in, and then we're gonna.
Oh yeah, I'm taking profits here at this wick here.
Yeah, that's smart. That's really smart. What's the name of this track right now? It's called Caballero by Offchain. Jason, nothing yet. Yeah, I'm not gonna even look at gold. This is just too ugly. As expected, obviously. Price ranging, price bank holiday. You can expect this to happen, right? It's not that some magical stuff is happening right now while we're ranging, so. And we're probably not going to stream for that long anyways today, because of the bank holiday. Maybe a very short New York as well. But we had this chart coming in of someone, didn't I already went over it. Ethereum in XRP, USD, create 2. You seem to have more energy today. You're not John. Just John, Jason. Yeah, this is that daily flipping point where 1 hour support is at. And actually at this 1 hour support, if you look at block wise, there is a block right here. So we might tap into it, go down maybe towards like 420, and then shoo, go back up again. So yeah, let's see. Delicate. Looks pretty nice though. Morning from Indonesia. Good morning, man. Welcome. Yeah, we have this previous support level right here, and we broke down on it, came back up, pretty much retested it, created a bearish candle, filled the bearish candle wick, rejected. So it's really delicate right now. Yeah, double rejection of that level. Hey, look, what's the name of this tracker? Oh, I've seen that. Good morning. Yeah, but weekly wise, we're going to go over the high time frames right now, see where we might head towards. I do think on the monthly, we might have a little pullback down. We already did create a wick and we closed above this zone. That's important. Let's remove all of this for a second. Go on that monthly. I mean, monthly we did close above that zone. You see this candle is also, you know, still closing above, so that's pretty good. We did create also a weekly support before, as we know, and that high. So what we might do is have one more deeper pullback, fill in that weekly daily wick to the bottom. If we break the lows, fill that level, grab liquidity, and then break the high again, fill the wick to the top, fill this wick, and then go all the way up to 155.8. Or that's bullish, and that's when we don't break the low of 152.630. If we break the low of 152.623 or whatever, we are going down to 151.9 at least. And if we start breaking these lows, we're going to come back towards 149, the bottom. Maybe on the daily we have a couple of stop levels, obviously, but it's on the longer time frames. But I do think this week what we might see is first a pullback and then maybe a push back up, or a push back up to the top, or rejection from the top, and then continuation moving down towards 149, as said before. So it's pretty simple. We just have to wait. Price is in a range right now. It's not doing a lot. But if we start breaking those levels and we start moving on the weekly time frame, because in the weekly time frame it's not indicating nothing. I mean, didn't break the high, didn't break the low, candle close, weak bearish, both wicks to the bottom and the top. So at the moment we don't have a clear direction of where we might head. The only thing we do have is that we still closed above 153.247. But that's good. But I do think because there's such a lack of volume today and we're just ranging, that I already might end the stream right here. Just seeing what we can do on the higher time frame is also on gold. Gold, we did close strong bearish on this monthly. Previous weekly did close bullish, rejecting the support, so that's nice. As said before, if we start breaking the highs at 17.95, we're going to be pushing up towards the top, back to 1900s. If we break, let's see, I do think if we break 180, we might come back down to 171 inside this range, 171.66, and then towards 50. If we start breaking 1749, we might break down towards that 22 level. Andrew, I think it's best if you don't trade today. If you look at the way price is moving, you're just forcing a trade to happen with low volume. So I think it's best for you to just stay out. I have one more chart coming in. I'm gonna look at that. But it's pretty simple where we're looking at this week. Today we're gonna have probably a candle that doesn't do a lot, and after that we might have a candle that, you know, starts forming the first weekly move at the beginning. Need a 30-minute candle close below you. Makes sense if you want to do that. What I said before, look out at this level. Oh, look out at at this level right here, because there's a block right here that we might tap into and then reject off from. So make sure you already secure profits right here, and don't try and risk it for the biscuit going down to this level. You might tap into this level because it's allowed to go to this zone, but the probability for that to doing so is pretty low, because there's actually a 1 hour support right here. So you might tap into it and go back up. So take your profits and, you know, don't try and be a cowboy, especially on today because there's no volume. So I want to thank you guys all for tuning in this morning. It was a pretty short stream, probably the shortest stream we ever did. Hopefully it showed you some direction where we might head towards the rest of this week. It doesn't make sense to keep on streaming. There's just no volume, nothing is happening, price ranging. So I think it's best to do it like this. I hope no one overtrades. I hope you really be careful with trading itself right now, because it just, what I said before, you're just forcing trades. So take care, and see you maybe a little bit in New York. Maybe I'm gonna explain it to the New York people as well, and then I'll see you guys tomorrow morning again. So thank you for tuning in, and I'll see you then. See ya.
All right, thanks, Luke. See you.
No problem. You know, guys, make sure you're disciplined.
See you.
Be disciplined, and it's all gonna be okay.